今年初嘅目標，即係兩個目標。我要努力讀書同埋去美國打世界賽。
Welcome, Hong Kong, China.
All right, here we go, counting down.
Starting in 3, 2, 1. We have Rock Team 41, Mountain Brook, Alabama, and 85-202. And Mike has a rock star from Kowloon, Hong Kong. So we have pins being picked up here. These teams.
Red getting that final push. They got 3, they got 2, they got 1. Red holding on to it, and that's the match. A beautiful last second hold, and you can see the jumping out of these Red Alliance teams.
It's been a defensive game for qualification 129. 2-1, and that's it. The round is over. Great job.
Or Waiting, holding, and that, ladies and gentlemen, will be the match. You saw a beautiful last second push by the Empire on that far side goal.
Oh.